In this video, I'll show you how to build a professional website using Emergent AI, which is one of the fastest growing vibe coding tools out there. To get started, click on the link in the description, which will redirect you to the official Emergent website. This is an important step because it ensures you get 10 credits absolutely free and also get a huge discount on their paid plans so you can start building your first project. Once you're there, sign up using a new account, either using Google or by creating an account with your email. Once you sign up, this will be your dashboard. As you can see, you've received 10 free credits, so you can start building right away. At the center of the screen, you'll see a prompt area where you describe the website you want to build. You also have the option to build a mobile app, but in this video, we'll be focusing on building a website. Make sure your prompt is as detailed as possible so the AI gets more context about what you want to build. However, you can also start with a simple prompt. Below the prompt area, you'll see a plus icon where you can upload files to use as references for your website design. There's also an option to import projects or code files from GitHub by connecting your GitHub account. Next, you can select the LLM model that will be used to build your website. This is one of the most important steps after crafting a great prompt, because the model you select will significantly impact the quality of your project. There are many models available, from Claude to GPT and Gemini. I recommend going with the latest Claude model. By default, it sets to Claude 3.7 Opus, which is a great advanced model for complex tasks. You can also use Anthropic's newest flagship model, Claude 4.8 Opus, which is faster and more advanced, but the downside is that it consumes credits more quickly. We'll keep it at Claude 4.7 Opus for now. Under Advanced Controls, you can connect MCP servers such as Google Stitch, Supabase, or Notion MCP. You can also select a full-stack template or a base template and choose your model similar to the earlier selection. Note that some models are locked and will only unlock when you upgrade to a paid plan. At the top, you can see your available credits, 10 credits from signing up through the link in the description. You also have the option to buy more credits, which we'll come back to at the end of this video. To start building your website, enter your prompt. As I mentioned, the more detailed it is, the better the results. If you're not sure what to build, there are suggestions available. I'll build a gym website for this example, so I'll type "build me a gym website." This is a simple prompt without design details, but you can be as specific as you like. Click enter and the agent will start working. It will begin generating a response and planning the next steps. Before building, it may ask a few questions to get more context. As you can see, it's asking about the primary purpose, key features, design preferences, and integrations. You can either answer these questions or click Auto Answer to let the AI decide. I'll select Auto Answer and let it proceed. Now let's wait while it builds our website. As you can see, it's generating code, running a design agent to choose the perfect design, and validating both back-end and front-end flows. This is what makes Emergent unique. It runs multiple AI agents simultaneously to ensure your website is fully functional. Our website is complete. Click Open Preview to see the result on the right side. As you can see, it has built a very professional website. There's a continuous scrolling animation that looks great, stats showing active members, coaches, and classes, and a member area. Each section has fully functional buttons, and the design looks so professional it's hard to tell it was built with AI. Clicking Reserve takes you to a login page, and all buttons are completely functional. Scrolling down, there's a pricing section for gym memberships, customer testimonials with images, contact details, and a footer. The entire website is polished and well-designed. To preview it in full, click Open in New tab to see how it looks on a desktop. The more specific your prompt, the more tailored your website will be. You can build anything from landing pages to portfolio websites. The website is also automatically deployed on an Emergent subdomain, so you can share it by copying the link. To make changes, simply message the agent and your updates will be implemented. If you click Share, you'll see the link to your live website. However, the preview link expires after 30 minutes. To get a permanent link, you need to deploy your app, which requires upgrading to a paid plan. The standard plan normally costs $20 per month, but if you sign up through the link in the description, you get it for just $1 for your first month. This gives you 100 credits, enough to build several beginner projects. You can also select a custom number of credits ranging from 100 to 3,000. The standard plan includes mobile app development, private website hosting, GitHub integration, work taskability, and the option to buy additional credits. The Pro plan costs normally $200, but with the discount applied, it will cost you $181 a month. And this plan comes with 750 monthly credits, adds the E2 agent, one of the most powerful agents for building websites, along with a 1 million context window, advanced analytics, beast thinking mode, system prompt editing, and the ability to build custom agents. If you're serious about building, go with the Pro plan. Otherwise, start with the standard plan at just $1. For long-term use, the annual plan offers a 17% discount, bringing the standard plan to $17 per month and the Pro plan to $167 per month. To upgrade, click Upgrade to Standard, which will take you to the Stripe checkout page. Select your preferred payment method, enter your details, and complete the payment. That's how you create a website on Emergent AI. Don't forget to sign up on Emergent through the link in the description using a new account to claim your 10 free credits and get the standard plan for just $1. If you want to know how to get extra free credits on Emergent or free credits on Base 44, which is a similar vibe coding tool, simply click on the video appearing on your screen.